Everything you need to know about cumin seeds. This warm, earthy seed is a staple in cuisines around the world, and for good reason. From its historical significance to its culinary uses and health benefits, cumin has a lot to offer. So today we explore the fascinating world of cumin. History of cumin. Cumin's journey stretches back thousands of years. Evidence suggests it was cultivated in the Middle East as early as 5000 BC. Ancient Egyptians valued cumin for its medicinal properties and even used it in their mummification process. Greeks and Romans also embraced cumin, incorporating it into both food and religious ceremonies. As trade routes flourished, cumin spread across the globe. It became a key ingredient in Indian curries. Today, cumin remains a vital spice used in countless culinary traditions. Ground cumin and whole cumin seeds. Whole cumin seeds. Whole cumin seeds retain their flavor for longer periods. Use whole cumin seeds for slow-cooked dishes like curries, stews, and braises. You can also toast whole cumin seeds in a dry pan over medium heat for a few minutes to enhance their aroma. Ground cumin. Grinding releases the aromatic oils, intensifying the flavor but reducing its shelf life. Ground cumin is perfect for quick dishes, salad dressings, and spice rubs, since the flavor is more intense. Cumin around the world. Mexico. Cumin is a fundamental ingredient in chili powder, a blend that forms the base for many Mexican recipes like tacos, burritos, and enchiladas. Asia. Cumin is a cornerstone in cuisine, featuring prominently in curries, dals, and spice mixes like garam masala. Middle East. Cumin is widely used in savory dishes like hummus, baba ganoush, and falafel. North Africa. Cumin adds its unique touch to tagines, stews, and couscous dishes. Cumin finds its way into sausages, cheese, and some bread varieties in European cuisine. Health benefits of cumin. Aids digestion. Cumin is believed to stimulate digestive enzymes, promoting better nutrient absorption and digestion. Antioxidant properties. Cumin contains antioxidants that may help combat cell damage and reduce inflammation. Blood sugar control. Studies suggest cumin might play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. Boosts immunity. Cumin's antimicrobial properties might offer some immune system support. Cumin seed tea is good for respiratory health. Cumin seed water is good for better sleep. Cumin seed paste for acne. Cumin water is the best weight loss drink. With their versatility and ease of use, cumin seeds are a must-have in any pantry. Let them be your secret weapon for creating restaurant-worthy meals at home. So next time you're looking for a flavor boost, reach for this tiny but mighty spice and discover its magic for yourself.